Hello everybody, it's Kylie from Life Stationeries, and I wanted to show you some books. These are going to be in the Etsy shop. There is 5 of them, and they're all a little bit different. They each have little side dangles. Like I said, all a little bit different, not much. I had a lot of fun making these. So, and inside of them is all a little bit different. You have your front pocket here. There is a magnetic. This one has a bird with an envelope on it. It says, created with you. Oh, created. Wish you were here. Haha. I need glasses. For my glasses. Okay. So, and in here, these are real leaves and flowers. And here is the signatures. And each of these, there is 3 signatures. Okay, we have 1, whoops, 1, 2, and yes, that is the 3rd one. So 3 signatures in each of them. And each of them has a first page, and it is from an antique book. And they're all different, but from the same book. And that is how it is with all of the pages throughout these books. Let me grab the 5th one. So these are set up the exact same. All the book pages to give you some inspiration. These are writing journals or create your own journals. They are blank inside, meaning there's no other pockets or anything. There's just coffee stained papers and color stained papers. This one you can't really see very well, but it's a pink color. So the setup of all the pages is the same. These are poems on the back and to the front where you can see them. And that's the same, and like I said, all of the books. This is the only pocket in the whole book. There is on the center signature. This one was made out of a calendar, and you have a little pocket right here on the front and the back of that signature. So that is the book. These are going into the Etsy shop. It'll be loaded up as soon as I get off this video. I will have a link to the Etsy shop below so that you can go and purchase one. And yeah, this is so you guys can keep on creating